This is what they had for a shaft in here
Yeah.
for the brake pedal and the gas pedal.
What is that, just a spike?
It's a big spike.
Wow.
And there's no strength in the spike. That's why it bent. So it knocked that out. Now I gotta make another ear like this because the brake pedal has to go in here.
Wow. So this is the gift that keeps on giving back to the customer here.
Yeah.
So I'm assuming that old metal spike from the barn wasn't standard
No, it
Armand
was-
Bombardier?
It was standard. This is all in now.
Yeah.
It's got to be painted yet, and then I got to finish off that open part there.
Yeah.
So I'm going to do everything in here first, and then put the floor in.
Yeah. Oh, so like when you're gonna weld the floor back in?
The windshield wiper and the front end, everything.
Is it just because it's easier to move around?
Yeah,
it?
then I can still get around.
Okay, so the floor is going in last then.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I
Well,
got to make one of these,
okay.
because there only is one.
Okay.
One has to be a gas pedal, and the other one's brake.
I did find another one of these cleaning up.
This is threaded, and the whole thing turns off.
Okay.
Then I'll make the
So there you go.
when we cut this little Mickey Mouse cooler off.
Yeah.
You just wait for a second, I'll show you.
That's the one. Yep.
This is what has to go on. And it has to be up here. So I'll...
So to the Bombardier enthusiasts, why are you switching it out, and why does it have to be one like that?
well, this one's too small.
Yeah.
It's not going to cool anything. And it has to be up here so that the cold air goes through, because the center of the fan is a hubby.
Okay.
We discussed before. It doesn't draw air. So that's it.
Okay. So I think it's June 4th.
Today is June the 4th.
Yeah. So getting hotter than Hades outside, and it's humid as heck, but
Look at the humidity, what the floor is like.
yeah, our dad pressure washed the floor again, and it's still wet. He even had the fan on all day, so that's how humid everything is in the shop. Okay, so what are you up to today here?
Well, I made the brackets for this rad or transmission cooler.
Okay.
So I'm gonna fasten it into place and then weld the bracket.
Okay. You want me to hold it?
Would be nice.
Okay, give me a second. So Dad just got the one side here done. He's gonna do the other side. It looks a little high here, Dad.
It'll work. I'm looking at the distance here. It just has to hold this up.